Ever seen this cryptic error message and wondered what TypeScript is trying to tell you? Let's decode it. This error means you're trying to assign a value to a variable or pass it to a function, but the value's type doesn't match what's expected. It's a type mismatch. TypeScript is saying the shape or structure of your value is incompatible with the declared type. Think of it like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. Here's the key difference. TypeScript catches these errors at compile time, before your code even runs. JavaScript would let it slide and potentially crash at runtime. TypeScript's static type checking is your safety net, catching bugs during development rather than in production. Let's look at some real examples. Assigning a string to a number variable will trigger this error. Passing an object that's missing a required property will too. Even providing the wrong parameter type to a function causes it. TypeScript checks the structure, not just the label. So how do you fix it? First, update your type annotation to match the actual value. Second, fix the value itself to match the expected type. Third, use union types if the variable should accept multiple types. Fourth, use type assertions if you're certain the type is correct, but TypeScript can't infer it. And remember, TypeScript uses structural typing, meaning it cares about the shape of your data, not just the type name. Type assignability errors are TypeScript's way of catching bugs before runtime by ensuring values match their expected types. Master this, and you'll write safer code. Practice more on Interview Mentor. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.